This is my explanation of the question we were working on, number 12, with the buses at the 10th Street stop. So, what I'm showing you here is that from 2 to 2:05, the eastbound train is waiting to be loaded. Now, but from 2:05 so let's say you arrive at the stop anytime between 2:05 and 2:25. That is 20 minutes. And so there is a 1/3 chance you're going to get on a westbound train if you arrive in the minutes from 2:05 to 2:25. However, from 2:25, the next train won't get there until 3, and it remains there for 5 minutes, which would be right here on my timeline, and that is 40 minutes from 2:25 to 3:05 out of 60, and therefore there is a 2/3 probability that you'll get in on an eastbound train, because that's how much minutes out of an hour there are for having if you arrive in this time, that you're going to get on a eastbound train. Now, the second question, number 13, that we ended class with was, what are the odds that you're going to get on an eastbound train? And in your math book on page 314, odds in favor of event is the number of favorable outcomes over the number of unfavorable outcomes. Well, we already know that the number of favorable outcomes for getting on an eastbound train is 2. That's represented by the 40 minutes out of 60. And the number of unfavorable outcomes is 1. That's represented by the 20-minute time period here, where if you arrived in this time period, you'd be getting on a westbound train. And so the answer to that one is 2 to 1.